and Royal Court, welcome back to a Model Queen's channel. Thanks so much for coming back to see me. Thank you if you are already subscribed. If you have not already, please do so. And also don't forget to like, comment, and make sure your notifications are turned on so you don't miss anything. And I'm super excited for this video because I'm bringing you all another wig tutorial, and I'm super excited because this wig that I'll be reviewing is a 99J long curly wig, and it's like all three of my favorite things. It's a colored wig, it's long, and it's curly, so I'm just like super geeked about it. And yeah, it's a hairstyle that I've been wanting to try for a really long time. I finally found a wig to match my fly, so I'm just really excited to see how it does. I did order from CurlyMe Hair. This is what the box is looking like. So this is my first time ordering from CurlyMe Hair. And yeah, I just have a feeling that this wig is going to be like really bomb, so I'm just really excited to install it and see how it does. The shipping was super quick. Like, I believe I ordered it like on a Thursday, and I think I got it like on a Monday, so like literally just a couple of days. It does says that it was made in China, but I still got it pretty quickly, so that's always super awesome. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and unpackage it, show you exactly how I got it, how I received it, and then I will do the installation, and then we'll come back here to close it out. So let's go ahead and get it popping. Okay, so again, this is the packaging. So this is how it came. So okay, you know, it's kind of cute. It has a little CurlyMe collection name, a little blingy M. I'm not mad at it. I love the back though. It has like a little Google search bar and then the company's name in it. I just always think stuff like that is just super cute. So let me go ahead and open it up for you. So this is how it came. This is how it looks on the inside. So just like their social media, things like that. Okay, and then here is the wig on top, so we'll get to that in just a second. And then they have this cutie's picture, and then I'm guessing just like instructions, so just like tips and instructions. So that's always super nice, especially for like wig beginners, things like that. And then of course some wig caps, which is always a must, and then a pair of lashes. So they said that they're mink, and yeah, they look really cute. Like, I'll probably wear them for sure. So let's get to this hair. So here is the hair. So I haven't even, I didn't even really open it. I just like just checked it just to make sure everything was in there. So this is like my first time opening it up, so let's just see how she does. And then on the bag it does say that it's 26 inches. And what does it say? Kinky curly. Oh yeah, this is a kinky curly wig, so I'm like really excited about that. And then it's 180 density as well. Okay, so here is the wig. So you can see them curls popping already. I'm gonna remove the net. Okay, ooh, look at this. Oh my gosh, it's just looking so bomb. I just cannot wait to see what it looks like on. But okay, so again, this is 26 inches. So it looks really full throughout. It is a little bit thin on the ends, but it's not too bad compared to other wigs that I've had in the past. But yeah, it's looking really pretty. Go close up so that way you can see the front. Let me take this out. So the lace looks like it's like a light brown lace. So I'm definitely, just to match my skin tone, I'm definitely gonna need to put makeup on the inside of it. But it does look really nice. Let's see. Yeah, it's like super light. The hairline looks really great, looks really natural. So that's what it's looking like. Well, here, let me just turn it out. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. So you can tell like it's light brown on the inside. It has the one comb in the back and a little adjustable strap as well. And then another comb in the front, and then two combs on the side as well. And then yeah, like the parting space, it doesn't look like it's that much. But here is what it's looking like, this part. So this is the entire parting, so that looks pretty good to me. And yeah, so here is this wig. And yeah, again, the texture is kinky curly. We'll see how it does. And yeah, hopefully it looks really good on. So let's go ahead and get into this install. in royal court. As you can see, I finished the look. No, I killed the look. This wig is freaking fire. Fire, fire, fire. So I'm extremely happy with my purchase from CurlyMe Hair. They're the truth. I'm definitely feeling them. It is 26 inches. Yeah, it's really full, which is what I really love. So this is the hair completely pulled in the front. So this is how full it is. I didn't wet it at all. This is just like its natural curl, which is gorgeous. The hair is really soft. It's really pretty. It was really easy to work with. The only thing I would say is the lace was like really light for my skin tone. I don't recall seeing an option to change the lace for when I ordered the wig. So if I could get this wig in like a medium brown lace or a little bit darker of a lace, then this wig would be perfect. Also, I didn't notice like any pre-cut baby hairs. Like the hairline is like pre-plucked, but I didn't notice like any like baby hairs already cut. So you're gonna have to do that on your own, just as a heads up. Other than those two things, like I'm really feeling this wig. The color is beautiful. Like I said, it's super soft. The curl is amazing. I know I said earlier that the curl didn't look as tight to me, but having it on, I can see that yeah, it is a pretty tight curl, and it does look like kinky curly. So I'm just in love. This is definitely my summer look. I'm really feeling this, and I'm just like super happy and just super excited about it. But thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I will see all you lovely next time. Until then.